Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply Mozambique e-visa on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Mozambique has a process change. Now they have migrated to a new VFS based e-visa portal. So that's what I have opened in front of you. So it's simple step like login, put your details, pay the fee, and if approved, download and print, and then you good to travel. They have also put a list of like visa exempt nations, not eligible and eligible. That also they have included here. So you can go through this. Okay, it's pretty simple. Now once you are ready to apply, we'll go ahead and apply. Okay, tap on apply now. So you need to put your email and click send an OTP. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you. Okay guys, so as you see, it's in the 7 tabs. Okay, so first select visa type. So let me select tourist visa. Nationality, all the details I put here is sample, but you do as per your own case. Passport type, most of us will have normal. Duration of stay, I select 30 days. Entries, date of birth, put your actual one. I'm gonna put a sample. I'm gonna tap save and continue. Now following document they have asked: passport size photograph and passport copy. They have also asked for financial proof, hotel reservation paid, return ticket, additional supporting document if you want. And if you have any doubt on anything what exactly these are, you can tap on I and it will explain it to you. You see that, yeah. So in this way you can find it out. All right, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you in the next screen. So now we are in tab 3, passport type. It has asked, so whatever is applicable for you, you select. Passport number, date of issue, given name, surname, gender, issuing country, date of expiry, city of birth, country of birth. This should match with your passport. So I'm gonna put sample and then I'm gonna see you in the next screen. Next is the travel details, purpose of travel. So I select tourism. You can write as per your case. Date of arrival, travel mode, I select plane. Flight number, I put a sample. Stay in Mozambique, which province. So if you have planned, definitely district, location. Okay. So if you have booked hotel and all, definitely you have that information. Visa issuance location. So whichever airport you are entering, that is the best location to get, right? Country of residence, this is now about you. City of residence, so I put some sample information, email, alternate email, country code, phone number. Okay, then save and continue. Have you ever been denied a visa? Have you ever been deported? Have you been convicted in any country? Criminal proceedings, suffer from contagious or mental disease? Occupation, do it as per your own. So now in this page, you can see all the details that you have entered. You need to accept terms condition, click on continue to payment, and once you do that, it goes into processing, and if granted, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.